Haldi's adventure. One morning, as Haldi walked to school, she met a giraffe. The giraffe wore big glasses and held a book in his hand. He smiled and said, "Good morning, Haldi." Haldi looked up at him. "I'm sorry to stare," she said, "but I have never met a giraffe like you." "My name is Smiley," said the giraffe. "Whenever you see me, you will smile." Haldi was surprised and happy too. Then she remembered that she would be late for school, so she said to Giraffe, "I would love to talk to you, but I must rush to school or I will be late." The giraffe said, "Not if you ride on my back. If you climb on my back, I will run so fast that you will feel you are flying to school." "Do you go to school every day?" "Yes," said Haldi. "I go to school on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays and Fridays. On Saturday I play games at school." "What do you do in school?" asked the giraffe. "I learn about the stars, the trees, the birds and the animals." "That is good," said the giraffe. "I love books too. They are lots of fun. Now jump on my back. I will take you to school." Haldi then jumped on the giraffe's back and found that she could see so many things from the top. And before she knew it, she had reached the school playground. She climbed down. When she turned back to thank the giraffe, she found that he had gone away. "Oh," Haldi thought, "what a wonderful adventure I have had." Please like and subscribe my channel. Visit my website komalahira.com.